On the Polynesian island of Motunui, the inhabitants worshipped the goddess of nature Te Whiti, who brought life to the ocean long ago using a punamo stone as her heart and the source of her power. Maui, the trickster, shapeshifting demigod of the wind and sea and master of sailing, steals the heart to give humanity the power of creation. This causes Te Whiti to disintegrate, and Maui is attacked offshore by Te Kā, a volcanic demon. He loses both the heart and his magical giant fishhook to the depths of the sea. A thousand years later, the ocean chooses Moana, daughter of Motunui's chief Tue, to return the heart to Te Whiti. Tue and Sina, Moana's father and mother, try to keep her away from the ocean to prepare her to become the island's chief. "16 years later, a blight strikes the island, killing vegetation and shrinking the fish catch. Moana suggests going beyond the island's reef with her pet pig, Pua, to find more fish and find out what is happening, but Tue forbids it. Moana tries conquering the reef but is overpowered by the tides and shipwrecked back to Motunui. That afternoon, Moana's grandmother, Tala, shows her a secret cave of ships, revealing that their people were voyagers until Maui stole Te Whiti's heart. The ocean was no longer safe without it. Tala explains that Te Kā's darkness is poisoning the island, but can be cured if Moana finds Maui and has him restore the heart of Te Whiti. Having been given the heart of Te Whiti by the ocean, Tala gives it to Moana. Tala later falls ill and, on her deathbed, tells Moana that she must depart to find Maui. Moana sets sail on a kamikaze from the cavern along with her dim-witted pet rooster, Haihei, who is stowed away on it. They are caught in a typhoon and shipwrecked on an island where she finds Maui, who boasts about his achievements. She demands that Maui return the heart, but he refuses and traps her in a cave before leaving on Moana's kamikaze. She escapes and confronts Maui, who reluctantly lets her on the kamikaze. They are attacked by Kakamora coconut pirates, who seek the heart, but Moana and Maui outwit them. Moana realizes Maui is no longer a hero since he stole the heart and cursed the world, and convinces him to redeem himself by returning the heart. Maui first needs to retrieve his magical fishhook in Lalotai, the realm of monsters, from Tamatoa, a giant coconut crab. While Moana distracts Tamatoa, Maui retrieves his hook, only to find himself unable to control his shapeshifting. He is overpowered by Tamatoa, but Moana's quick thinking allows them to escape with the hook. Maui reveals that his first tattoo was earned when his mortal parents abandoned him as an infant, and the gods, taking pity on him, granted him his powers. After reassurance from Moana, Maui teaches her the art of sailing, regaining control of his powers, and the two grow closer. They arrive at Te Whiti's island, only to be attacked by Te Kā. Moana refuses to turn back, resulting in Maui's hook being badly damaged. Unwilling to lose his hook in another confrontation with Te Kā, Maui abandons Moana, who tearfully asks the ocean to find someone else to restore the heart and loses hope. As she breaks down in despair, the ocean obliges and takes the heart, but Tala's spirit appears, inspiring Moana to find her true calling. She retrieves the heart and sails back to confront Te Kā. Maui returns, having had a change of heart, and buys Moana time to reach Te Whiti by fighting Te Kā, destroying his hook in the process. Upon being unable to find Te Whiti, Moana realizes Te Kā is Te Whiti, corrupted without her heart. The ocean clears a path for Moana, allowing her to return the heart to Te Whiti, who heals the ocean and islands of the blight. Maui apologizes to Te Whiti, who fixes his hook and decorates Moana's boat with flowers before falling into a deep sleep and becoming an island. Moana bids farewell to Maui and Te Whiti, returning home where she reunites with her parents. She takes up her role as chief and wayfinder, leading her people as they resume voyaging with Maui flying over them in hawk form. In a post-credit scene, Tamatoa, still stuck on his back, addresses the audience, knowing they would help if he was named Sebastian.